Hey guys, welcome back to the channel RP. Let's explore. So guys, in the last two video session, we already covered few of the string manipulation method like length, replace, substring, then split, left and right. So in today's video session, we'll cover this concat function, then compare to function contains, and we also see the string conversion method, like how to convert any string into the integer value, into the double value, or how we can able to add the string into the collection. So guys, if you want to learn about the string manipulation method, you can check out my previous two videos. In description box, I'll provide the link of these two videos. And in today's video session, we'll cover this one. So let's start today's video session. Here my UiPath Studio, and I'm opening one process which I already created. So this is UiPath Studio. Just take one sequence. So we'll see our first function concat. Concat is basically used for the combine the two string value. So go to the activities panel. I'm taking the assign value, and here you need to create one variable and press Ctrl K. Input data, and here in the double quotes you can give any value. I'm putting here I love robotics automation. Right. So now I just want to combine another string value with this string value. So what I'll do is I'm using here message box, and I'll combine these two value. So put string dot concat. Then here you need to pass. Here you are able to see the syntax. We need to pass the value input data, comma, process. Now here I am combining this process string value with this one by using this concat function. So guys, let's run. We'll see how it able to combine two string. Perfect. I love robotics automation process. So guys, in this way we can able to combine two string. So we'll move to the next function, that is compare to. Compare to is basically used to compare two string value. So here I am taking the another value. Suppose I am putting here 2020. Right. Now here what I do is I'll passing this variable input data dot compare to. Now I just want to compare this value with another value. So I'll put here 2030. So you are able to see here the syntax as well. So we'll run this one and we'll check. It gives us -1. It means when this input value is less than this value, assign this value, then it will give the -1. If I'll put the same value, then let's see what it will give us. It gives us the 0 value, right? Now I'll put here the less value, 2010. So we'll check 1. it returns us +1. So guys, if you see, if you observe, if this value is greater than this value, it provides us the +1. If this value is equal with this value, it gives us a 0 value. And if this value is less than this value, it gives us -1. So in this way, the compare to function is used to compare two string value. We'll move to the next value, contain. Sorry, the next function contains. If now I'm putting here another value like India is my country. Now here I need to check whether this string is contain India or not. So what I'll do is I pass the same variable input data dot contains passing here India, right? So these value give us a boolean value. Like if this value is true, if it's like if the string value contain India, then it provides us the true. Otherwise, it provides us false. Perfect. It provides us true value. It means yes, this string is contain the India. If I provide here Japan, so let's see. False. Perfect. So guys, we saw how to use this contains function. It mostly used for to check whether the string contain a particular value or not. So guys, we'll move to our next string conversion method. So first we'll see how to convert any string value to the integer. So what I'll do is I'll here assign one integer, one value, string value. For example, if I'll provide here 6790. Now this is the number 6790 is number, but we put this number into the double quotes. It means it's a string value. Any number if you put in the double quote, it convert into the string value. So what I'll do is I'll convert this string value into the integer value. So here I'm converting convert dot to, here is the option to integer. Now I need to pass the variable input data, right? So we'll see how it's run, how it's work. Perfect. Now it's give the integer value, right? Now if I'll put here the decimal like 790.89. So we'll convert this value into the double. So convert dot to double. And I'm again passing the same variable input data. Right. Perfect. It gave us the value, string value is converted into the double. So now we'll move to the collection. How to string value convert into the collection. So what I'll do is here, input data, I'll assign few value like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, likewise. Okay. So here I pass this value. Now I have to convert this value into the collection. So what I'll do is I'll use here for each loop. In the for each, I'm passing here the same variable into data dot split. Why I'm using the split? Because this value is, there is a four text value. That's why I'm splitting these all text value with the space. Every text contains the space. So split space is a separator and C. Now I'm using here add to collection. So now here I'm creating one variable like days. Here variable type should be system.collection generic list, or you should go here browse for type, then system.collection generic you can choose from here, and from here you need to choose the list, this one, right? So here I'm taking this variable type. Now scope should be sequence 2, and here you need to put new list of string, right? So I'll pass this value to collection days. Now here what you have to do, you have to convert each and every item into the string. So item dot to string, right? And here type of argument should be string value. So perfect. Now I'll use here message box to show you the value. Dates dot item. Now guys, our all string value is added into the collection. So in the collection, every value should be identified by their index value. For example, here there is a 4 text, right? So every text having their own unique index. So Sunday having index 0, Monday having index 1, 2 and 3. So if I want to show you the Sunday, I'll put here index 0. So here I'll put index 0. So we'll run this sequence. Perfect. It's showing us the first value in the string. So you can put here another index value, like I'm putting here 2. So we'll see how it's work. Tuesday, right? Perfect. So guys, in this way, we able to convert any string value into the collection. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you, especially people who are at the beginner level and they started their RP journey recently. So guys, thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep sharing. Happy automation.